Oh, there's some.
Mila.
Oh, this one. Oh, this is strawberry.
There is?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's true. Ah, there are.
plenty.
Yeah. Mila, are you eating strawberry? That one.
But it's not.
We have it here, strawberry. Here. Ayan, strawberry, oh. Ayan. It's not yet ripe.
No.
Ah, it's not that big.
No, this is a different type of strawberries.
Wild strawberry.
Yeah, it's wild strawberries.
Plenty of strawberry here.
Yeah, this is the plant. This will be a strawberry.
Yeah. Ayan no, ang dami dito. Yung strawberry, damo lang dito. Ayan no. Oh, ayan. Here, my dear, look.
Oh, this one is ripe, maybe.
This one.
Oh, you can eat it. It's so sweet.
Can I try?
Yeah, try it.
Try ko to. Strawberry and liit. Ayan no. Ayan. Yummy.
Very sweet.
Ayan no. Yung strawberry dito, ang dami. Nasa damuhan lang sila. Damo lang dito ang strawberry.